This is the water in the pipe. This side to connect the machine, you need to screw inside deeply, and you need to make sure that no leaking. And the green side, you need to connect the tap accessory. Then you connect it, and then this side to connect the tap. You need to screw it loosely. And when you connect the tap, you need to screw it tightly, because when you open the tap, the water has pressure. You need to screw it tightly. Okay? Now we turn on the switch, can wash the car. This is the foam applicator. You open it, and you can see that you need to put the cleaner inside this one, and then you close it, and this side screw into the machine tightly. Okay, now you can use the foam washing. When you finish, you need to take apart the water pipe and the machine. You need to put the blue cycle back, and then put the pipe outside. Now is the drying function. When you use this function, you need to disconnect the water pipe. So when you turn on the switch, you can use the drying function. The temperature of the air is about 30 degrees if you protect the carpet. Put the filter inside the gas connector and use this side to connect the back of the machine. You need to lock in. And the other side to connect the other accessory. Now you turn on the switch, then you can use the vacuum to collect the dust. It's very important to turn off the switch after you finish.